Welcome to Us Bike Pro, where we bring you the latest updates on upcoming bikes and scooters. Today, we're talking about the 2026 Honda Shine 125 cubic centimeters, a motorcycle that continues Honda's legacy of reliability, comfort, and everyday performance. The new model is expected to bring fresh design updates, improved efficiency, and smarter features for daily riders. Updated design and styling. The 2026 Honda Shine 125 cubic centimeters is likely to feature subtle but modern design enhancements. Expect sharper body graphics, a refined fuel tank design, and updated color options. Honda may also introduce improved LED lighting elements, giving the bike a more premium and contemporary road presence while keeping its simple and practical identity. Engine performance and mileage. At the heart of the 2026 Shine is a refined 125 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine, tuned for smooth power delivery and excellent fuel efficiency. The engine is expected to meet the latest emission norms while delivering strong low-end torque, making it ideal for city traffic and daily commuting. Mileage remains one of Shine's biggest strengths, with impressive fuel economy expected. Comfort and ride quality. Honda Shine has always focused on comfort, and the 2026 model continues that tradition. A well-padded seat, upright riding posture, and improved suspension setup ensure a smooth and fatigue-free ride, even on rough roads. The bike is designed for both short city rides and longer daily commutes. Features and safety. The new Shine 125 cubic centimeters may come with an updated digital analog instrument cluster, engine start-stop technology, and improved braking with CBS for added safety. These features make the bike more practical and rider-friendly. Final thoughts. The 2026 Honda Shine 125 cubic centimeters remains a smart choice for riders looking for reliability, comfort, and excellent mileage. With updated styling and refined performance, it continues to be one of the most trusted motorcycles in the 125 cubic centimeters segment.